when I wake up. You know, every time I get up, I always look out the window to get some vitamin D. And I feel like it stabilizes me for the day. Even when it's sunny, it's a good day. That's why I said let me start vlogging today, because I've been meaning to do this for so long. But I wanted to actually know what I was doing with work before I started. But yeah. So okay, so I actually was going to explain through what I actually do. I've already shown my desk setup, but what I'm going to do now is basically what we call Azure consumption forecasting. So Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing service. Yeah, there's a lot to Azure. Basically what I do is I look at the finance side of it. So if there's like account managers who have tried to close a deal with someone on it, I'm basically looking at the numbers and seeing if they're due to land. If they are due to land, I'm basically currently getting a screenshot of like the stage where it's at, if that makes sense. So on my monitor is where I'll have all the things that I need to look at, and then on my actual laptop screen is where I will be putting the data that I screenshot. One thing that I always do is because this is something that we have to do monthly around the middle of every month. So, and I have like an ongoing feedback page on this specific task. So I always look back to what the last feedback thing that basically the thing that I did wrong the last time I did it. So my last feedback that I got from this was next time in your screenshots, make sure you include the column heading. Other than that, they look correct. So I just had to make sure that I've got the heading in on this time, so I know not to make that mistake again. Right now, do you want to say hi in it?
Hi.
No, say like a message. Wait, hold on, let me get you up on the screen.
Follow Amber, subscribe, very motivational.
You don't even watch the bloody channel about very motivational. But
I support the team, bro. Don't watch.
Are you even subscribed to it, complete? Yeah. You're a liar. Anyways, okay, for lunch I'm just gonna have some ribs, some collard greens, this callaloo, and wedgies, and I'm just gonna get some coleslaw. So I have now finished the consumption forecasting screenshots that I was doing. It would only have taken about an hour because I take care of central government and education, so I have to do those one at a time. But because I had a call, it kind of interrupted that. But that's done now. So the next thing I need to do is I'm also the lead for Microsoft's Women into Tech initiative. So I'll actually need to write a statistics summary of how we're doing so far. So right now, we have the target of creating a community of 200 people, and it's currently at 500 people, and we achieved that within the first 2 weeks. That's going great. And I just need to write up a quick summary of that. So here I'm just writing the stats report, which is just saying the dates of when different social media promotions went live and how successful they were. So like, for example, I promoted on my LinkedIn, others promoted on their LinkedIn. So I'm just giving a report of what was achieved so far in H1. Which is up till December. Also, I do have a picture of me or my cartoon on my desk because, you know, and what keeps me going. So it's at this point where I'll now go through my to-do list. It's now 5:23 in the Big Brother house, and I have finished for the day. Well, I'm gonna say that I finished because the rest is frozen, and when the systems freeze, I think that's my cue to leave. So yeah, that's all. It's really just sitting behind the computer doing a lot of sort of admin type of work, but I hope that was insightful. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if this bit's going to even be any point because I don't even know if you can see me, but I try to leave the house like once per week. I'm in Tesco, coming to get something very important, but I also like to look at the coffee pods. So yeah, I got some airfit because you know, priorities and that. But yeah, that's about it. That's an average day in life of a Microsoft intern. At this point, I don't even go on my phone really. No more than an hour maximum, half an hour to an hour, then I'm literally conked out. I don't like looking at my personal laptop because I spent so much time looking at a screen that I don't even want to see a screen anymore. It gets so much from my head. I also realized that I said earlier that I try to go out once a week, which is true, but I know that I should be going out even more frequently. I am going to try to start going out at least once a day. Today was actually the first time that I've been out in 4 days. So and it does definitely have an effect on my mental, because my head just feels so heavy. So I really do need to get out of the house more. But yeah, I hope this was insightful. I hope this was useful in some way. If it was useful, do just give it a like. If I miss anything out, feel free to comment and I'll try and answer. And I hope that I can catch you in my next video. If you haven't already subscribed, then please be sure to subscribe. And thank you for watching. See ya.